Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, as you can see, REALME Narzo 50i Prime device, and now I will show you how to install a protective glass on this device. Firstly, you need to buy the protective glass for your device. I can't find the glass from REALME Narzo, and I will use the glass for REALME 8i. Yep, for REALME 8i. So cool. Firstly, we need to turn off our device. So power off REALME device. Wait a while. And now we need to rub our screen, we need to clean our screen. I suggest to use a microfiber or towel or paper towel to successfully clean your screen. So rub your screen. Cool. Now remove protective foam from your protective glass and just install the glass on your device. Okay, cool, that's it. Now we need to remove the bubbles from our screen. So just use your rubber to press on your screen, and cool, as you can see, we have no bubbles under our protective glass. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.